All right, so let's have a look at doing the back. So I'm going to show you just lots of different techniques that you can explore, get feedback with. And we'll just go through it all as we go through. I'll show you different massage techniques. We'll blend it with our bamboo. So you get a really good understanding of what I think is this beautiful blend. And as I say, just lots of different techniques that you might not have thought of. And take away the best of the best that you like and your practicing partner likes, of course. And then you can add them to the sequence that you like. So I'm just doing the short full cylinder ones, just as a nice kind of introductory, using the heat. It's a nice way to start it off, I think, as well. Because they're kind of like effleurage you do with your hands. It's a nice, easy way to distribute the heat. Gives them a really good introduction to the heat on the back. Right, so you can do both sides. That's why I like to do this. So if you use the one long one, you're doing one side and the other, pretty much. So this to me is like, so as you can see, like I'm doing both rhomboids. And we can do lots like this, like we do with our effleurage stroke, kneading type strokes. So we can do lots. This is really easy for you to do a start there. And again, this is not using lots of pressure. This is really a distribution of beautiful heat, really relaxing, really melting, just all those sorts of, just such a nice way to start, in my opinion. And of course, being the full cylinders, they retain their heat really nicely. So you can do lots of work. Now I'm just on the other side. What I'm going to do for you, so now I've got my body at the head of the table just for the cameras, right? But just to give you a bit of an idea, we'd go to the other side. But what I'm going to do is focus all of my, pretty much all of them on one side. And then the next video will be for you to practice to do the other side of the back, that is. So we're doing like here, we're doing both sides, but I'm going to focus, as I say, focus really doing the work on one side of the back for the majority of the time. All right, so now, so if you can imagine, that would be a really nice introduction. You could have then done some really nice work with some massage with some forearms, some hands, some fists, that sort of thing. Or do what I'm doing now, bring this on. Because you're going to start to work with the deeper levels with the bamboo here. So in other words, putting a bit more pressure on. Just as you would with any sort of massage. You start off lightish. And doing a fanning stroke across the neck, upper trapezius. And just working through here on these right rhomboids. So this one here, is you've probably already worked out, it's very easy to put lots of pressure, so you don't have to put much pressure for it to be deep, in other words.